folks, this is Wesley $1 Virgin. So check it out here. I'm going to show you guys how to basically get some free NFTs and make money with NFTs for free right now in this video here. And listen, I don't want to waste a lot of time. Is that cool? First step is this. Get Twitter. You got to get Twitter, 100%. And I'm brand new. I am not a genius. I'm not an expert, guys. You probably shouldn't follow my advice. But I did this, and I made like $500. Not a ton of money, but I didn't spend any money on these non-fungible tokens here, okay? So, listen, smash the like button, sub, whatever. You can do that if you want to do that now. But listen, here's the Twitter group here that I did exactly what I'm going to show you step by step in the video, okay? So, big head. Pay attention. Look, so NFT giveaways. They're basically, and I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, how do I know I'm going to win, right? Well, guess what? If you don't win, I'm seeing some free Bitcoin as well. I want everybody, if you have a wallet address, if you don't, get one at Coinbase or BlockFi or whatever, and put it below, and I'm seeing some Bitcoin, okay? But check it out. Now, I thought just like you. I said, well, how's the guarantee that I'm going to win some of this stuff? Because, see, tattoo friends, you can win 3 NFTs and things of that sort here. So check it out. I did it. But this is the caveat. I went through this Twitter following here, and make sure you follow NFT giveaways so you can do it as well. And I did about 100 of them, okay? So basically, every giveaway that I saw for that day, I did it. And I got 5 free NFTs. True story. Now, I'm going to show you how I converted that into $500, which is going to blow your mind. I didn't spend any money. And it was just time. Like right now, I'm on my couch. You're on your couch or your bed. You know, you're on your computer anyway, so you might as well like make money. Like you could be on Twitter right now, and you got to use Twitter. If you're not using Twitter, this will not work for you. You got to be on Twitter. That's the game. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is why Elon Musk bought it for about $40 billion, right? So check it out. So you go through the NFT giveaways, and every time you see what it says win 10x LCT NFTs, you just do it. That's all you got to do. Just do it. Do exactly what they ask you to do. And do it to about 100 of them, and you will win about 2 to 5. And let me tell you why. Because a lot of people don't know this. A lot of people don't understand NFTs. Even I don't honestly wholly understand NFTs, but I did make $500. So think about if you did it every day, and it took me less than an hour to do that. Smash the like button if you can use $500 a day. I mean, this is just too easy. I mean, I don't understand how people are not understanding this NFT and this digital currency world, because it is the game right now. If you're not in the game, you're going to be left behind. Okay, so check it out. So what you do is you just get these free NFTs. You do exactly what they want you to do, and you do about 100 of them. A lot of people don't understand it, so they're not doing it, and you get your free NFTs. Now, the next step is, now this is how you make money. You're going to love this. Go to the site by the name of raritytools.com, okay? That is, can you guys see this? Smash the like button if you can see this properly here. Okay, rarity.tools, okay? That's RARITY.tools, okay? So go to that site. This is the site here, because this is how you know the upcoming, right? You need something to tell you what's coming, what's not coming. Because this is what you're going to do. You're going to hit the marketplace faster, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And you just sell exactly what you just got for free, right? Just crazy. You go to upcoming here, and if you scroll down here, you're able to see all the upcoming NFTs. You'll see the ones that were sold yesterday, and this happens every single day. And what I did, honestly, I just looked at Twitter, okay? Are you with me? Smash the like button if you're with me. Maybe you're getting excited. You go here, and you just enter all these giveaways. They're every day, by the way. They're every day. Do about 50 to 100 of them. You'll get about 2 to 5 free ones. They'll reach out to you because there's no competition. No one is literally doing this, right? And then when you get it, you find out what are going to be the upcoming NFTs that are about to be dropped here. And then once you have your NFT, because look at this person. They sold like 5,000 of 0.9 ETH. I mean, that's a couple of $100, you know, per image here. It's insane. You're not making these things at all. You're basically it's crazy just getting this done for free. And I'm gonna show you at the end of this video how to mint. If you ever want to mint an NFT and get paid the real money, I'm gonna show you how to do that. But check it out. You go here to OpenSea, and this is where you take the NFT that you won for free just by doing a little work here, and you post it here, right? I have another video on my YouTube channel that you can watch. If you want me to do a video on how to do OpenSea, just smash the like button and say, Wesley, I love this, do another video. And OpenSea is easy. Get a free account and you just upload the NFT. You don't have to create anything. You just upload it, put it for sale, and people are buying this crap like crazy, honestly. I mean, the reason why I call it crap because I don't understand it, but I did make $500, and today I'm already geared to make $1,000 today, and I'm on my couch right now. You hear that? I'm just hanging out doing nothing, making this easy money. So listen, go ahead and do that. Now listen, if you ever want to mint NFTs for yourself, you may say, okay, what's that? I want to mint NFTs for myself. Right here, let me see if I can find the site here. Right here, you can go to this site. I will leave that in the description on the video. And basically, it's just as simple. It's a software. It's the first NFT app that allows you to mint NFTs yourself that guarantees, if you do the work, of course, $100 to $500 per day. And that's just your own NFT. If you want to do that, it's below. As a matter of fact, the first 10 people to do it, I'm going to send you a few Bitcoins as well. And if you put your wallet address under the comments below and share and like this and let me know that you shared and like it, I'm going to see some BTC because I got a ton of it because, I don't know, it just, and I'm doing this all for free, by the way. I'm not spending none of my money here. And I thought I would give it to you because I know a lot of crypto people. I'm not an expert, but it works. Do it. Smash the like and love button, and I'll see you soon. And like I said, if you want to mint for free and to earn about $500 per day, $15,000 a month, the link is below. Get it, and I'll see you in some BTC. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Now go get paid. Leg out.